All right, Wayne. So people want to know, man, it's summertime already. We want an update. How's everything going with you?
Update. It's been a blessing. I've been focused on more of God, family, than work. And my wife went in on my schedule and she made sure it's closed out, making sure we're getting that time with the family, that balance. Because everything was, boy, work. And us as men, we got to make sure we're not only providing, but we're the head of our households, and we need to be representing Christ to our kids. That's why we got them bad kids in schools, and our kids is coming back talking about Ricky punched me because his father ain't in his life leading his household. So that's the problem we got. So we need to be there. So yeah, so we got 2 days off, and we're working 5 days now consistently. It feels good to get that rest. I swear it does, man. It's amazing. So besides that, we got Jay. We got the second van still being worked on. We got a lot of work coming in. Me and Jay are implementing the systems, getting ready for the new hire to come on. I already have his contact, his information. We just need to get ready for the interview. Jay and actually my brother, Javari's coming out of retirement from the shop, man. So Javari told me that he'll go back out. And I'm gonna team him up with Jay, and they're going to take my new van. I know everybody's gonna be like, you tripping, but they're gonna take the nice van and I'm gonna get the older van ready and make sure it's equipped. But I am gonna swap back with them. They gonna give me my van back, but they better enjoy that right now while they got it. But anyways, they're gonna be riding out, and then the new hire that's coming on, he's gonna be riding with me. And then we're just gonna keep developing it over and over and over again until we have about, I can't even put a number on it, you guys. Whatever God takes it, man. Whether that be 5, 6, 7 vans, well, I don't know.
So, what's the goal for the summer?
The goal for the summer?
Yeah.
The goal for summer is structure and maintaining and not running around like a chicken with my head cut off. So implementing, like I've been talking about before, it's an ongoing process of learning payroll and the rules and regulations and benefits and what else? The 401ks and all the stuff that I've been talking about, you guys. I've been taxes. Sheesh.
It's a lot,
now
man.
I see why those guys be filing for bankruptcy.
Yeah.
Hey, for real, because I didn't know that I needed to separate that from the store. This is what happens when you move too fast, you guys. So learn from me. I opened up the store and I didn't know that that tax money wasn't my money. And then they hit me with that bill like, we need that. So, hey, I'm separating that when I get it. Those are stuff you got to learn. Trial and error, you guys, when you start a business. So like I said before, learn from my mistakes. And if you can get this structure from the beginning, that is amazing, you guys. All right, so when it comes to all the structure, we've been working on that. Business has been extremely busy. We've been learning on not taking all jobs. We've been learning to not let clients run over us. As we're out there, not every job is worth your time. But one thing that really helps me stay organized is my detailing app. If you guys don't know, I'm gonna say this, it's in the description below, but it's as simple as keeping everything structured from emails to numbers, to making models of cars, to getting payments, to knowing the bookings when it's scheduled, how to organize it, so that your receptionist, Speak Life, if you ain't got one, your receptionist can go ahead and structure everything from GPS to upsells to buying products to phone calls. We take care of phone calls to websites, to SEO ranking, to everything, you guys. It's all in one platform, and this is only the beginning. And like I said before, just to give you guys a little background history, a guy called me and I took a chance. And he said, I want to develop an app based around how you move and how you work. So this app that's developed is based off of what was convenient for me and what I know that detailers have problems with when they're out there in the field. So whatever input you guys have when you guys get the app, just put in an inquiry and let the guy know that I work with. His name is Mike. What you guys would like within the app. So it's actually being developed every day with new things. So get in right now, get grandfathered in the description down below. The guys that already started, I think I had the app for about 4 or 5 months now. The guys that bought in, they got the lowest price. So get in, because this is an all-in-one platform and it is increasing as we see the value. A lot of people have signed up. Anybody that was with Zippity shut down, and all those people went over to this one. And it's taking my business to the next level, you guys. And I'm not even over exaggerating. Hey, description down below. Appreciate you guys. And to tie that all in, once I get both of the vans running once again, I'm gonna get out of the van and I'm gonna be in the shop. A lot of people come to the shop, they wanna meet me, they want to get some advice, they want Christ, whatever that may be. I'm gonna be at the shop and I'm gonna be building the shop up and being there more. And I'm gonna start detailing services there at the shop. So after I get both of the vans filled, we're gonna get the shop going, get some signs out there, and they're gonna be cheaper pricing at the shop. So that's kind of my vision right now. And later on in the future, I plan on getting a shop for ceramic coatings and all that stuff. So you guys stay tuned for the journey, and I'll just keep updating you guys as we go. Let's learn together, let's grow together, you guys.